In this video, I'll show you how to create and insert a graph in Google Docs, step by step, on desktop in a web browser. Head to Google Docs and sign in to your Google account. Open an existing document or click the blank document button to create a new one. You'll see a blank page with your cursor ready to type. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu bar. A drop-down menu appears with options like Chart, Table, and Image. Hover your cursor over the Chart option. You'll see a submenu pop up showing different chart types: bar, column, line, and pie, plus an option that says From Sheets. Click on whichever chart type you want to use. A default chart with sample data gets inserted straight into your document. Next, click the drop-down arrow or three-dot icon in the top right corner of the chart. Select Open Source from the menu. A new tab opens showing a Google Sheets spreadsheet with the chart's data. You might also see a brief message at the bottom left with an Edit in Sheets link right after the chart inserts. If that appears, you can click that instead. In the Google Sheets tab, click on the cells with the sample data and start typing or pasting your own data to replace it. The chart updates automatically as you edit. If you need to adjust which cells the chart is pulling from, double-click the chart in Google Sheets. The Chart Editor sidebar opens on the right with Setup and Customize tabs. In the Setup tab, find the Data Range field and adjust the cell references as needed. To customize how the chart looks, click the Customize tab in that same Chart Editor sidebar. You'll see sections like Chart Style, Chart and Axis Titles, Legend, and Grid Lines. Expand any section to change colors, titles, fonts, grid lines, whatever you need. Once you're happy with it, switch back to the Google Docs tab. You'll see an Update button in the top right corner of the chart. Click it. The chart in your document now reflects all the changes you made in Sheets. If you want to resize the chart, click on it to select it. You'll see blue handles appear at the corners and edges. Drag those handles to resize, or drag the chart itself to move it around the page. Tips: to make future edits, click the drop-down arrow on the chart in Google Docs, select Open Source, make your changes in Sheets, then return to Docs and click Update. Google Docs saves everything automatically to the cloud, so you can access it anytime. To share the document, click the Share button in the top right corner to add collaborators or grab a shareable link. Thanks for watching.